Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing a makeup look and review. Just recently, Wet n Wild came out with new products called the Zodiac, but it's like their Zodiac little collection. And I'll explain to you in the video what they have, and I'll show pictures if they have anything else. So I don't want to talk too much about in this intro. So if you like this look and you want to learn a little bit about Wet n Wild's new Zodiac collection, although this might be up like 2 weeks after they just came out, then keep watching. Okay, so today is a review on the very few products I was able to pick up from Wet n Wild's new collection, which is their Zodiac collection. They have more things there, like they have the 12 horoscope Zodiac lip glosses for all of them, and they have 4 or 5 of these highlighters, and they have about 4 or 5 of these eyeshadows. They also have a loose pigment highlighter as well, and if there's anything else, I'll put pictures throughout the video of the items they have for this collection. I picked up mostly only Aries stuff. I picked up one Capricorn lip gloss because Zach is a Capricorn, so I felt like I needed to. And I'm testing them out. The only thing that I've tried so far from the Zodiac collection is his Capricorn lip gloss. I haven't tried... Zach's also in the room, so he's making a bunch of noise.
Hi.
Anyhow, I haven't tried anything else. I haven't even tried the Aries lipstick or lip gloss. So today is my very first time trying any of these, well, the rest of these products, which they still have their stickers on them. And tell you how I feel about them. The highlighter and the eyeshadows are more elemental based. So this one's fire and this one's fire. And I picked the two fires because Aries is underneath the fire element. So I'm going to try my best not to rant through this. I'm just going to kind of do my makeup review at the same time, tell you how I feel. I'm going to first start off by priming my face, which I already have my foundation, concealer, and everything on. I have blush and contour on. I have my brows on and everything like that. Now I'm going to take a concealer. You can use any, eyeshadow primer you prefer. I just always preferred concealer. Since this doesn't have a setting color on it, I'm just going to use the white from the Reveal palette just to set the concealer on, so it also helps prevent creasing in the future. While I'm at it, I'm going to take this beige color next to it and I'm going to place that on my brow bone. Because again, it's mostly just shimmer colors and I don't know if I want to have shimmers there. What are we doing? I haven't even figured that out yet. Looks like we're probably going to do more of a red type of tone to it, so probably going to do an ombre look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a very light amount of this brown from the Reveal palette. I'm just going to put this in my crease right here. I'm going to try to keep away from the end of the eye. So I'm going to open these. I finally am opening them. The thing I like about Wet n Wild is it is affordable for most. It's about, I think this was $4, $4 to $5. This was about $3 to $4, and the lipstick was like $2. It is cruelty free, so I do like those aspects of it. Now already you can see there's the fire symbol on here. The fire name is right here. I don't know if you can see it very well. So we look inside. There's really pretty colors. You got a yellowish, a goldish, an orangish red, a more bright red, and a maroonish red, and a brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably use these 3 colors. My eyelid is an ombre, maybe this one if I can fit it in the end. So let's try it out. I'm going to take a spray because I do not know how... Matter of fact, we'll wait for the spray. First we'll try the actual color. So take the color, the lightest one, and we're going to put it in the inner corner. And then I'm going to take the color, this light or red color you want to call it, and put it right on next to it, leaving some room to blend the 2 colors. So I'm just going to put it right here, right next to the lighter color, and I'm going to bring that towards halfway to the center, like half on the center, that's what I mean. Now, the colors look like they're actually really already blended together. So maybe since the colors are so close to the tone, they just blend nicer. But I really didn't have to do much blending between the 2 colors. They basically look like they're ombreing themselves, as weird as that sounds. So now we're going to take that darker red, the more of a maroon shimmer, and we're going to place that next to the regular red color. I'm not going to take it all the way to the end. I'm just going to take it a good majority to the end. Right there. Just leave it like a speck at the end. Just going to bring this just up into the crease a little bit to take out any of weird lines. I'm quite surprised about the pigmentation of this thing. Usually when you get the cheaper brands, they're not as pigmented. Like, you really have to add some moisture to your brush to bring the colors out. Now I'm going to take the brown. I'm going to add that at the very, very end of my eye, but I'm using a smaller brush to do so. I wouldn't know how to call these brushes now that I think about it. Precision brushes? I'm going to just add it at the very end in a V-like manner, and I'm just going to bring it up here. Now, I'm not trying to go for like an Aries look or inspired look, because if that was the case, I'd be going all out. But if you want to blend them out, I'd be careful, because when you do ombre looks, blending them out could just like make it muddy and mix all the colors together. So I'm just going to take this part, I'm just going to blend out just the brown into the maroon, but not that much. It's just at the edge. So I don't really care for the brown. Like, I kind of wish I didn't add the brown now. Mainly because it doesn't look right, but whatever. It'll all come together in the end. Now I'm going to go back to the matte brown right here, and I'm going to very lightly line to the center of the eye from the end of the eye with that. With a very thin brush, take the same colors you were just using and apply them like almost exactly where you had applied them underneath your eyes. So the lighter one right here is going to be applied right here. I'm not going to bring it all into the tear duct, just close enough into where it ended on top of the eyelid. Then I'm going to take the medium red and place it right next to it, right here. And then I'm going to take the darkest red and place it at the very end on top of that brown. Now I'm going to try out the highlighter. So the highlighter is also fire. It kind of has this, let's say bronze, almost gold. What do you even say, bronze? Oh, I guess copper. I don't know. Some kind of gold color. So on the inside, you have all the Zodiacs and their signs lined up right here. That's actually pretty cute. I think it's just a little bit too close to my skin tone color. You're not seeing it probably to its advantage. You can see a slight shine right here if you guys can see it, but like in the camera like side view, you can see it. But like if you look in the mirror I'm looking at, you can just barely see it. I think that's more because it's more closer to my skin tone. I have like an olive Mediterranean skin color, so it's like, I'm going to take this yellow from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to put that in their tear duct. Not my usual lightness, but close enough. So we're technically done with the actual eyeshadow. So right now I'm just going to finish up my face. I'm just going to describe to you what I'm using. I'm not going to review those products. I'm using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara to mascara my eyes. For lashes, I'm using Kiss Shy's lashes. Kiss lashes with the Shy lashes. So I'm just gonna wait till this dries, and while I'm doing that, I'm probably gonna cut through this. Okay, now that I've added the lashes, hopefully the inner corners will come off because they like to do so. And now we're gonna add and try out the lipstick. Now this time I was actually able to find a lip liner. I actually apparently had some. Didn't realize that, but I have a Color Institute all day lip pencil in like a dark red, so hopefully this matches. Now there's actually no sticker on this. Usually when it comes to Wet n Wild's lipsticks, they do actually have like a sticker right here to tell you whether or not someone's opened it or not, but this one doesn't have it. It's a pretty color, very dark. Let's see if it goes on dark. It literally looks like I'm spraying like blood all over my lips.
I love it. Is that the Aries one?
Yes.
That's awesome.
I noticed that after you just do that to dab a little bit of lipstick off, it takes off most of the lipstick and just stains your lips. So let's go reapply that back on. Alright, and we're done with this look. So what do I think of these products? Honestly, I wish there was more because I like Wet n Wild, I like Zodiac's. When there was a mermaid situation going on, I never had the money for the mermaid trend stuff, so I was really sad about that. And there was a unicorn one that went around too. You should do zombies next. We need more green in our lives, and browns and blacks, and blues, and grays, depending what zombie series you're going after. Anyhow, what do I think about this product? The lipstick for at least Aries didn't have this problem with Capricorn, as it comes off very easily when you're just trying to dab some of the colors off, like to get some of the excess off. Like comes off and it's a stain afterwards. I've always had difficulties applying dark colors on my lips, no matter how long I've been doing makeup. I just always have problems with it. I just have a thing. I love the color though. I love the fact that it's like a blood red, and when you place it on, it literally looks like you're just taking some blood and just smearing it all over your lips. But I'm a horror buff, so some people might not like that at all. It hasn't gone on my lips yet, or my teeth yet, so far so good. Will I use it again? With caution. Highlighter. I do see a bit of a, like, touch on my cheeks. You see it way better in the viewfinder than I do on the mirror, so I don't know how it is via actual camera. So I just think I described a shade that's just a little bit too close to my skin color, and I was even afraid of that when I grabbed it. I said, maybe I should grab a different one, but then I want to stick to that mainly the Aries theme. So it's fire, so I had to grab that one. As for eyeshadow, I was very surprised by this. Very, very surprised by this. I give the eyeshadow completely 10 out of 10 because of how pigmented it was. I didn't need to use a spray on any of my brushes. The only thing I don't like about it, so I make it a 9 out of 10, is the fact that it is all like touching one another. I like the borders in between eyeshadows. I just do. I don't like the fact that they're close together, especially with highlighters, because they usually make them like real small and close to each other, so like you just want that one color and you have to fight to get it. So that's the only thing that's throwing me off about the eyeshadow. The highlighter, like I said, maybe if it was a different color, I would give it 10 out of 10, but since it's my own doing, I'm going to give it 10 out of 10 anyway. And the lipstick color, I give 10 out of 10. My applying it, 5 out of 10. So if it looks raunchy or terrible or disgusting or like, man, you are cheap, it's just my skill level with really dark colors. So sorry for that. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see me do more themed or new reviews for new products, tell me. This is probably going to be put up like 2 weeks after it came up because of how much I've been editing different videos. Yeah, hope you guys liked. Like, comment, and subscribe.